Hi, everybody. Andrew here, Chief Product and Technology Officer for Liminal. Excited to talk to you about our newest release notes for August 13th, our MCP service, and our updated and brand new company comparison. MCP for AI is our take on empowering your agents to take advantage of our intelligence, our data, and our taxonomy so that whether it is humans consuming or agents consuming, we have services and tools for everyone. We want your team and your business to be powered by our intelligence. I'll show you how that looks. We also want to take a look at our updated brand new comparison tool where we are looking now at competitive and complementary views with more dimensions. Let's hop right in. MCP service is connecting your agent to our data. This is available for our enterprise users, and this example I'm showing here is in ChatGPT, although it will work with any MCP-enabled client, including Claude, Gemini, Copilot, and custom applications. It has access to our entire taxonomy. Everything that you as the tenant can access, including custom data uploaded and managed into our service, any of your GTM campaigns or battle cards and things our expert desk provides for you. I'm going to take a look at a couple quick examples, like let's take a look at a specific use case. When we ask an agent, it is doing the translation. It is connected to your other data tools such that it's providing a contextual explanation in partnership with the human understandability and double click. In this example, I'm looking at age assurance. You can ask it many types of questions, and I'm going to get back a digest grounded in our expert research, cited along the use cases, the research that we do, the buyers that we've talked to, and I can click through and click in so that I can explore further in the platform for deeper understanding or comparison. If we want to look at a specific vendor, I might have a question where I want to ask about, tell me about this vendor. I'm going to get from our wealth of knowledge, not just how the company and the product works, but survey-backed intelligence about the businesses, the verticals, and even some of the feedback and market perception of how they work. This works best for market leaders across different spaces that we've indexed report, but it's fully accessible across the 12,000 products and 8,000 companies in our database. We also have a lens on what they've been doing, news, updates to their product, and making sure that you are staying on top of exactly how these businesses are evolving and what they're tackling. We can start to ask it more strategic questions like, how would a specific vendor move into a new use case or vertical? Here, I'm going to be combining a couple of different tools and intelligence to sort of look at your agents and your business context lens on how a business might meet supply or demand in a specific region. We're going to look across a couple of different partnership opportunities using our new compare feature and really looking deep into who are the competitors, what should you know? And we're starting to bring even regulatory angles about how you might prioritize staff and take bets on markets. Finally, we get to our comparison feature, fully accessible in the MCP and in the front end. You can ask your agent to do a comparison. I can click in, start to build an angle towards battle cards here, or just understanding win and loss opportunities. But within the UI directly, now in a competitive view, based on Liminal's expert weighting, I can start to see as a business, where do we compete, how, and even specifically why we might come up against key competitors, looking across a few dimensions, capabilities, use cases, geography, and the overall profile. We've got a couple ways to click into more, so check out the full experience to take a look. On the complementary side, if we start adding filters like, how do we look for partnership in age verification, for example, I'm going to get a scored list of a few specific vendors where you're going to have opportunities to complement and add gaps looking across the weights and filters that we have. So can't wait to see what you and your agents will get up to using our data. Reach out for more information and hope to hear what you're up to. Thanks.